Good morning. Welcome to the USCIS office. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm here for my naturalization interview.
Great. Could I please see your USCIS appointment notice and a government-issued photo ID?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Let me quickly pull up your record in our system. All right, I've located your file. All your information appears correct. Before your interview, we need to complete the standard security and biometric verification. This confirms your identity in accordance with USCIS procedures.
Understood.
First, we'll take your photograph for today's official record. After that, I'll scan your fingerprints. It only takes a few minutes. Could you step up here and look straight at the camera?
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect. Photo captured successfully. Now, please place your left index finger on the scanner. Good. Now your right index finger, please. Excellent. Both fingerprints are captured. Let me confirm the scans. All set. Here are your appointment notice and ID, along with your waiting number. Please have a seat in the waiting area. The interviewing officer will call you by your number shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Best of luck on your interview today.
P5.
That is me.
Good morning. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, my name is Isabella Marie Rossi.
Thank you, Ms. Rossi. I'm Officer Alexander, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. Please follow me into the interview room.
Of course.
Before we begin, I'll need you to take an oath. Please remain standing. Raise your right hand. Do you promise to tell the truth during this interview, under penalty of perjury?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. You may take your seat. Do you understand that lying during this process can result in denial of your application and even removal proceedings?
Yes, I understand.
How are you feeling today?
A little nervous, but excited.
That's normal. Many applicants feel that way. Just answer honestly, and you'll do fine. Now, let's begin with a few simple questions. Did you bring your appointment letter and government-issued ID?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Very good. For security purposes, have you ever used any other names legally or unofficially?
No, I have always used my full legal name.
Since filing your N-400, have you taken any trips outside of the United States?
Yes, I traveled to Canada after submitting my application.
Thank you for telling me. We will update that when we reach the travel section. Now tell me, why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I want to vote, have more career opportunities, and fully participate in the civic life of this country.
That's a strong answer. Are you currently registered to vote in any foreign country?
No, I am not.
Good. As a future citizen, are you aware of your responsibilities, such as serving on a jury and, if required, defending the United States?
Yes, I understand those responsibilities, and I am ready to accept them.
Excellent. Let's begin the English reading and writing test. Please read the sentence on the tablet for me.
Why do people come to America?
That's correct. Now write the sentence on the tablet. People come to America for freedom. That's right. You passed the English reading and writing test as well. Now we'll continue with the civics test portion of your interview. Have you been preparing for this section?
Yes, I've been studying since I submitted my application.
Good. Which version of the civics test did you study?
The 2008 version with the 100 official civics questions.
That is correct, the 2008 version is the one we are using. Here's how it works. I will ask you up to 10 questions. You must answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please respond clearly and loudly so I can record your answers. First question. Name one branch or part of the government.
Congress.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
July 4th.
What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
What are the first 3 words of the Constitution?
We the people.
We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
6.
Name one state that borders Canada.
New York.
How many U.S. Senators are there?
100.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Speech.
Good. You got 6 questions correct and passed the civics test. Now, let's review your N-400 application. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What is your current legal name?
My current legal name is Isabella Marie Rossi.
What is your first name?
Isabella.
Please spell that name.
Isabella.
Tell me your last name.
Rossi.
Do you use any other names with your friends or family?
No, I don't.
Some individuals choose to change their name when they become U.S. citizens. Would you like to change your name?
Yes, I would like to change my name from Isabella Marie Rossi to Bella Maria Ross.
Okay, I'll update your name. Thank you. Could you please tell me your current marital status?
I am married.
Other than your current marriage, how many previous marriages have you had?
None.
When did you get married?
September 12, 2018.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
No, he is a lawful permanent resident.
Can you provide your husband's name and date of birth?
Marco Antonio Rossi, born June 5, 1989.
Does your spouse live at the same address as you?
Yes.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have a daughter.
What is her name and age?
Her name is Lucia Rossi, and she is 3 years old.
Was she born in the United States?
Yes.
Did you bring her birth certificate?
Yes, here it is.
Are your children residing with you?
Yes, my husband and daughter live with me.
What is your date of birth?
May 3, 1992.
How are you eligible for naturalization?
I have had my green card for over 5 years.
Who sponsored your green card?
My uncle.
What is your racial background?
I am Caucasian.
Was one of your parents, including adoptive parents, a U.S. citizen before you turned 18?
No.
Have you taken any trip outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes. I need to update the information I submitted on my N-400 form.
What trips are we updating?
After submitting my N-400, I went to Canada for a vacation in July 2023 for 12 days.
How many trips have you made outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
I've taken a total of 4 trips. The N-400 form listed 3, but I forgot to include the Canada trip.
Can you describe your most recent trip and its purpose?
It was a vacation to visit Niagara Falls and Toronto with my husband.
When did you go?
July 10, 2023.
When did you return to the U.S.?
July 22, 2023.
What is your current mailing address?
2214 Cedar Avenue, Chicago, Illinois 60614.
Do you have a different mailing address?
No, it's the same.
So, we will use that mailing address to contact you throughout the naturalization process?
Yes.
Have you moved in the past 3 months?
No.
How long have you been living there?
Since 2018.
Your previous address was 3345 Pinecrest Lane, Chicago, Illinois 60618, is that correct?
Yes, officer, that is correct.
What is your country of birth?
Italy.
Do you have a job currently?
Yes, I do.
What is your occupation?
I work as a software support specialist.
Who is your current employer?
TechWave Solutions LLC.
How long have you been working there?
Since February 15, 2020.
What other places have you worked at in the last 5 years?
I worked briefly at BrightNet Technologies for about 8 months in 2019.
Can you confirm your social security number?
Yes, it's 412-65-9083.
Can I see your card?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. What is the best phone number to contact you?
312-556-4782.
How tall are you and how much do you weigh?
I am 5 feet 7 inches tall and weigh 140 pounds.
All right. Let's move on the next section. Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a paramilitary unit?
No.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote in any U.S. federal, state, or local election?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a self-defense unit?
No.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No.
Do you now have, or did you ever have, a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a rebel group, guerrilla group, or insurgent organization?
No.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics?
No.
Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a prison or jail guard unit?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or associated with, the Communist Party?
No.
Have you ever received military, paramilitary, or weapons training?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or associated with, a terrorist organization?
No.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the U.S.?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a military unit?
No.
Have you ever been placed in an alternative sentencing or rehabilitative program?
No.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a police unit?
No.
Have you ever been in jail or prison?
No.
Have you ever voted in any U.S. federal, state, or local election?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a vigilante unit?
No.
Have you ever been a prostitute, or procured anyone for prostitution?
No.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a militia?
No.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No.
Have you ever not filed a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
No, I have always filed my taxes.
Have you ever been a member of, or served in, a combat unit?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter, or try to enter, the U.S. illegally?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or associated with, any totalitarian party?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer?
No.
Have you ever failed to support your dependents or to pay alimony?
No, I have always supported my dependents.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to gain entry or admission into the U.S. or to gain immigration benefits?
No.
Are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I'm willing to.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
Can you explain to me what that is?
It means I promise to love my country through both good times and bad times.
Good. Please turn on the tablet and review your application as I've made updates to some of the sections. Please review all the information on the tablet to ensure its accuracy. I want you to make sure all of your information is correct and let me know if you find any errors.
Everything looks perfect.
Please sign the box on the tablet to affirm that everything you've said during the interview and all the evidence that you've submitted is complete and true.
Okay.
One last thing. Please review the Oath of Allegiance section. Make sure you agree to all the statements. Then you can print your name and sign and date on the tablet.
Okay.
Thank you. Just give me a minute. I need to quickly run a background check and make copies of all your documents. I'll be back shortly.
Sure, no problem.
After reviewing your background and your application, I'm glad to say that you deserve to be a U.S. citizen. Congratulations. You passed your citizenship interview. Here is a copy of your test result.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate you taking the time to review and approve my application.
Now we can proceed with administering the oath.
Sure, that would be great.
Please stand up, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. I hereby declare, on oath, that I absolutely and entirely renounce.
I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce
and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince,
and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince,
potentate, state, or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen.
Potentate, state, or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen.
That I will support and defend the Constitution.
That I will support and defend the Constitution.
And laws of the United States of America against all enemies.
And laws of the United States of America against all enemies.
Foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
Foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law.
That I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law.
That I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States.
That I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States.
When required by the law.
When required by the law.
That I will perform work of national importance.
That I will perform work of national importance.
Under civilian direction when required by the law.
Under civilian direction when required by the law.
And that I take this obligation freely.
And that I take this obligation freely.
Without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
Without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So, help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. From now you are officially a U.S. citizen.
Thank you, officer.
I can give you back your paperwork, but I must keep your green card. I will now print your certificate of naturalization. It will take some time to print. Please wait in the waiting area for a short while.
Sure.
After receiving your certificate of naturalization, be sure to check its accuracy before signing it. And you must sign it using a black ink pen.
Okay.
Just a couple of other things you need to do. You need to update your Social Security status and register to vote. If you plan to travel outside the U.S., you can also apply for your passport. Do you have any questions at this stage?
No, officer, I don't have any questions. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Let me guide you back to the customer service area.